Hi there. For the moment, I don't have a fancy mic nor a camera. There's not much to see here though, so this will work for now. If you are interested in translating one of these tutorials into another language, first of all, thank you. Second of all, I want to help make that happen. The first thing to do is to decide which tutorial you are translating. There is the primary video titled #COVIDBARRIERS, the hand tools and cardboard joints addendum, and the mounting addendum. In the comments section, below the breakdown of the chapters or parts, you will see a list of the 3 current tutorials. Next to each title is a link to the translation package for that tutorial. When you follow that link, you will find a folder called VoiceOver Text. The VoiceOver text has been broken up into numbered sections or clips. When you record the voiceover in your translated language, record one section or clip at a time. So, for example, clip number 001 for the primary video titled #COVIDBARRIERS would be, "Welcome to your first COVID barrier project." After you have recorded all of the clips or sections and labeled them with their number, send that back to us and we will edit them into the tutorial. If you have access to editing software, in that same translation package, you will see the full tutorial, the video with no voice and no music, and a sound file that is just the background music. You can edit in your new voice recording and then the background music over it, and voila, there you are. That said, we would love to put that translated video here on this channel, so please do send us a copy, and thank you.